Hi guys, as you know, many of you witnesses the problem with LSD conversion kit with snapping off the central pin. To clarify this topic, some of you guys saw that on the internet and wondered how does that happen. And in this video you will see the main reason of snapping the central pin and what to do to prevent it. The main reason for snapping off the central pin is inadequate installation and snapping off this C-clip, which is in charge for holding the central pin in its position inside the differential. So if you snap this ring off during the installation procedure, most likely the central pin would come out from the housing, and in its rotation it will hit the pinion gear and make a complete damage to the differential. Many of you guys made this mistake and talk bad about the LSD conversion kit on the internet because of that, and I will now show you how to prevent this. Let's pop out the factory central pin. Here it is. Whoever installed the LSD conversion kit would notice this channel for the C-clip, so you realize the logic now. C-clip inside the housing is here. You can see right there. And what happens? What happens is this. Here it is. As you can see, this one already snapped, but this half of the C-clip is just not strong and good enough to hold the central pin in its position, so this one would most likely pop out like this and hit the pinion gear. What to do with that? We provide another spare C-clip with our LSD conversion kit, so you will get one of those in case you break it in the first attempt of the installation. But if you break it in a second attempt and this lives inside your differential and you don't know that, you need to do this simple trick. I will show you without installing the LSD conversion kit because that's not the point. So you put the pin inside and the cone from another side. You see right there. You make this one like this on the other side, and let's now try to pop it out. So you see, even if you break the C-clip, central pin won't leave its place outwards from the housing and won't hit the pinion gear and make the complete damage to the differential. So if you do this, if you follow the procedure, you won't have any problems with LSD conversion kit.